Let's see if I can make a very short video clip. This is a Anker Power Port 3 Nano, a USB multimeter, a goods cable, and then this is an NB Air. So if I take this and plug it into here, I've not turned on the power strip, so I don't see any power coming in. So if I turn on the power strip, you can hear the click. And if you notice right now, this isn't charging at all. There's no charging whatsoever. So if I unplug this and unplug this and then plug this in, now voltage is coming out of here and there's no current showing at all. So I'm going to plug into the NB Air with the @goods label up in this case. There we go, the LEDs come on. And what you'll notice here is on the USB multimeter, it's showing arrows going this way. So it's now the Anker is actually charging, and it's using a power delivery because it's about 9 volts, 1.5. So if I turn off the power strip, and now I'm going to plug this in with the cord rotated here. All right, and now I'm going to turn on the power strip, and nothing. There's just nothing happening here. So I'm going to unplug this, and then I'm going to, which lets some handshaking reset. Still nothing. Let me plug it in again. Still nothing. So now I'm going to pull this out. Remember, I have this still with the label down. And now plug it in. See what happens here. Nothing. So come around here. With the @goods going up, still nothing. So I'm going to unplug this, plug this in, and still nothing. So now I'm going to take the cable out here, and the LEDs have gone off, and this is getting longer than I wanted it to be, but now there's power going into this guy, so the Nano seems to be working. And I'll plug it in at the top, and it starts to do handshaking again. And this is not charging, this guy, because it's going from the NB Air through the cable back into here, going backwards. Notice this is going backwards. So it's not straightforward here that our charging is doing what we want. So now I'm going to rotate from here to here and plug this in, but I probably should let the LEDs turn off. So the system has turned off. Plug it in by rotating it. Let's see what happens. It's still going backwards. Okay, so it is not charging. So I'm going to take this out, and I'm going to plug this into here. Let this go blank. Turn off the... no, I'm going to leave it on to start with. Plug it in here. And now you can see the direction of flow is this way. So now my NB Air is charging. So cables matter, the direction of the cables, what's in the chips that are inside the matter. Good luck with your cables and your charging electronics. All for now.